Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Jerry in Florida on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Jerry, get it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment and voltage regulator upgrade. Let's roll right on with it. We'll start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Get you right at 25 watts in case you decide to run a big amp, you'll be able to do so. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 200 bird average. 500 watt slug PUP. Hello. 500 on the money. Take and roll it all the way down. Show you there, Jerry. 25 watt carrier. Hello. Still 500 watts. All right, Jerry. Show you sideband. Hello, 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 hello. About 450 right there. Let's do it again. Hello, 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 hello. About 485, 490. Jerry, we're gonna get this down there to you along with your antenna and the rest of your setup. 4 gauge wire and all that great stuff. I appreciate it. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.